Hello, my name is Frida Katwiri, a product manager at Diamond Trust Bank. I'd like to do a recap of this case study. First and foremost, I chose this project, the DTP website, redesign and development, because it was one of the projects that I've participated in, and it became a huge success. Looking at the performance metrics that are set and what we've been able to achieve so far. The Montespark website redesign was developed in 3 months, which was lag on time, looking at the resources that we earned both internally and externally. And some of the key members that were part of this development included internal developers and designers, and of course the business team, me as the product manager and the project manager. And externally, we had the front-end developer and another project manager. What we didn't communicate, we had in stand-up sessions weekly, which allowed us, one, to look at our backlog, our dependencies, and also track progress during the development. During this time, I was able to communicate our progress weekly or at times even daily to different stakeholders, especially internally, to keep them in check on what was happening. Some of the features were key in this development, especially the development of the loan calculator, which was going to take a lot of time, and therefore I saw it fit that it comes at the beginning of the website. We had the UI designer do the prototypes at the beginning, and the backend developers do the APIs, and later now we have the front-end development and integration to the APIs. This was done through one sprint planning sessions, through a lot of backrooming sessions, and of course through calls that were sometimes very impromptu. As a product manager, I was the expert matter person, one defining the requirements or taking the business requirements and translating them to features or user stories. I was also able to act as the person who was unblocking any blockers and clarifying requirements by putting the user in mind, and also trying to bring the user expectations to the business objectives. One thing I would do differently next time is be ready to take additional tasks at any point of the project. Bearing in mind, during this project, we ended up losing our project manager, and I was able to own the mantle of all these hats at the same time while working on other projects, something that I hadn't prepared myself psychologically for. But now I've learned, and I'm ready to take to own multiple positions that could be product owner, product manager, project manager, and even act as the business person. Thank you.